being in Baja is like no other place. It's really, really special. People are amazing, landscapes are beautiful, and the roads are unforgiving.
We're gonna get ready to go to the driver's meeting and find out what this week has in store for us. Came out to hang out with Boyd. He invited me back once again. I'm gonna be driving and co-driving in the Bronco.
La misión de este año es divertirnos, no trabajar mucho y esperemos que lleguemos en primer lugar.
We're in Ensenada this morning. This is day one, going to San Felipe today. Got 2 special stages to get through, and I'm super stoked and ready to get going.
A little nervous, it's day one, that's normal. But yeah, it's beautiful, a little overcast, not too hot, enjoying it.
It was a really nasty road for 40 miles. Not a road for this type of vehicle, that's for sure. Very rough. Big whoops for 40 miles. Just couldn't go very fast. Kept having carburetor issues because of how violent it was. It kept throwing the gas out of the carburetor, stalling the engine, loading up the carburetor. So yeah, it was not fun and very hot.
It was a little bit of everything today. The last 50 miles was rough, but the Bronco prevailed. We're gonna put some new plugs in the Bronco, just for insurance purposes. We're gonna put some new plugs in. Make sure she's happy tomorrow. Buenos dias.
My name's Will Post. I am going to run the second stage in the NORRA MEX 1000. Taking care of navigation, coordinating all of the navigation systems, trying to keep Boyd on all 4 tires.
We lost the brakes at a crack in a hard brake line about 15 miles from the end of the stage. Felt it going, and then it went. Holding.
Probably have to pump them up a little bit. They're not going to lose pressure.
Nos pusieron a jugar arreglando la línea de los frenos que se quebró. Estamos jugando los carritos. Arreglar carritos.
One other thing I think is great about NORRA is that it's an opportunity, it's an entry-level type of event to off-road racing. You can have a terrible day at NORRA, roll into town late, fix your truck, and then be back in the race the next morning. That's unique. It's unique to this race. And
Thank you for dinner.
of course.
Vamos a empezar el día. Tomamos una decisión de soldar una pequeña carcadita que viene en el split y para no tener problemas y listo.
Well, we're leading in class. We're leading in Pioneer era, and we're going to be conservative because today's a long day. Before sunset, or before dark, I should say. It's at sunset. Sun is setting. We're end of day 3.
End of day 3.
Loretto is just that way. Gonna ride into town. I think it's time for sombreros.
Time for sombreros. A little after party.
So this is the night of day 3. We just arrived in Loretto this evening and discovered we have a broken leaf spring. It's the main leaf on the leaf spring, which we have a spare for, so we just got to change it out. But I think it's indicative of how rough it's been this year that we broke a leaf spring only in a couple days of racing.
Yeah. Perfecto? Okay.
We go.
Try safe. Okay?
Starting day 4 in Loretto. Today we're going to go to La Paz. We're sitting good in the timing sheets, currently leading our class and leading the Pioneer era. So very, very good. It's been a great Mexican 1000 so far. So we're on the start line. NORRA had to do a last minute course change and divert us from our normal route, which is out through the wash here in Loretto up to San Javier Mission. We're trying to figure out is how that's going to work with our road books, because our mileage is going to be all off, which could be a challenge for navigation. Chris here is an old pro, so it should be all right.
Definitely on a mission to deliver 5 gallons of gas to 2 Broncos in the middle of nowhere, Baja, Mexico. None of us have ever been here before, so we're kind of traveling on a wing and a prayer here. It's exciting. Come race Baja.
buenos días, ¿cómo andamos? Se chingó el soporte del motor y vamos a hacer una chicanada. Vamos a soldar unas guachas y una tuerca y a ver cómo nos va.
It's the last day. We're gonna go to Cabo. The big finish, the trophy, the glory.
This was second to dead last.
Okay.
That was a DNF. This was a third in class.
Okay.
Golds or wins.
Oh my man, that's so rad, dude.
Fantastic. We just finished the Mexican 1000. Bronco did great. 5 days of racing. Doesn't get any better than this.
Boy, 13 years at NORRA. We get great satisfaction coming down to NORRA and challenging ourselves. So, yeah, every year it's keeps calling us. There's so many things. It's not just the racing, but obviously coming down and challenging ourselves to do the races is one major thing. But it's also to see our friends, to be with our crew is a tight-knit group of guys, and also the other racers. 13 years later, we have it's like a family here at NORRA. You know, one of the great things that we're so fortunate to have a partner like Blackview is the products that they have are so great to capture what we're doing. We can go back, look at all these camera angles of these cameras that are recording all the time and really relive what were great memories and keep those memories forever. Hopefully we make it look easy, but it's not easy. It's always a challenge every single year to come and drive what is essentially an antique truck. It's a team sport, so they couldn't do this without our team.